Hi, I'm Fahim Muhammad Nael, ACCA member, CIPFA qualified, currently Director of Edbase Professionals and a Management Consultant of a manufacturing company. A common question asked by many, why I chose ACCA after my A-levels. To put it simply, because of global recognition. আমি বেসিক্যালি ও লেভেলস আর এ লেভেলস আমার গ্রেড এর অ্যাকাউন্টিং ইকোনমিক্স এগুলোতে অনেক বেটার ছিল, সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই আই পারসুড দ্য ক্যারিয়ার অফ ACCA. Back in 2008, when I went to England, I researched about accountancy degree in universities and also in professional qualifications, and I found out that ACCA suits better because ACCA gives me much better flexibility because I also used to work. While pursuing part 2, around the end of it, I actually got a job in a multinational company, and after that, when I was in part 3, I moved to a non-for-profit organization and worked there for 3 years. তারপর আমি আসলে বাংলাদেশে ফিরে আসি। আসার পর I also found out that in Bangladesh ACCA is quite high in demand, but supply is not that much. So with perception, I joined an institution. I used to teach there. And after that, I thought of opening my own institution. So I would like to say that actually ACCA helps you in opening up a bigger door, a wider world. ACCA demand multinational company, development sector, group of companies and local manufacturing companies will be quite high in demand at this moment. With that passion actually I opened an institution to serve ACCA community to ensure that students get the best service and also so that I can guide them personally and give them a brighter future career. Thank you.